everyone. Welcome to Talkfee with AM and PM. Thank you so much for showing so much love to our previous videos. We are glad. So coming straight to today's topic, common sense. Well, PM, is common sense common?
AM, common sense is the most uncommon thing in the world.
Okay, so what makes you say that?
Experience, plenty of experience. Mobile phones are getting smart, but people are getting dumb.
All right, I agree. Well, would you throw some light on some of your experiences or some examples that you have in your mind?
AM, we have so many examples. जैसे कि जब कोई जमाने में, and I so very wish कि वो जमाना वापस आ जाए, हम लोग मूवी हॉल जाते थे एंड कोई फ्रेंड या रिलेटिव मिल जाए तो पूछते थे पिक्चर देखने आए हो? अरे भाई सिनेमा हॉल में आए हैं तो मूवी देखेंगे ना, क्रिकेट खेलने आएंगे क्या? Like common sense is so uncommon.
I agree. Listening to that, it's a very recent incident. मोदी जी ने कहा that अपने घरों से थाल बजाइए, मोमबत्ती जलाइए, and people they came out on the street forgetting about the social distancing norms. थाली हटाइए, बैंड बाजा लेके आ गए, and they forgot everything. Like people, they're partying, man. They're keeping parties in their community halls and houses, inviting people, and just using that mask that does not apply that you are not at risk. Common sense is so uncommon.
Another example, अगर ऑफिस में बिजी है, कुछ कंसंट्रेशन का काम चल रहा है, लोग बार बार आके बात कर रहे हैं, उनको सिर्फ हाँ में जवाब दे रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आता है कि बिजी है, बाद में बात करते हैं. Again, common sense is so uncommon.
Okay, take an instance of lift. I've seen so many people, especially these people who are always in a hurry. काम पे जाना है, स्कूल जाना है, मीटिंग है, लिफ्ट में चढ़ते ही they start pressing the buttons over and over again. इस जैसे कि the speed will increase. लिफ्ट तो अपनी तेजी से ही चढ़ेगा ना. Like it's so uncommon.
This reminds me of traffic jam and red signal जब होता है, दिख रहा है कि red signal है, फिर भी लोग हॉर्न पर हॉर्न बजाते रहते हैं. अरे रोहित शेट्टी की मूवी है कि गाड़ी उड़ के जाएगा? Yeah, use your common sense.
Agreed. Okay, coming to a serious point, bank OTPs, fraud, like online fraud and stuff. People know, and I've seen the stats. It says that it's mostly with educated and elderly people. They share their private banking details over the phone. जबकि block letters में लिखा हुआ आता है, please do not share your OTP with anyone. None of the bank officials are going to make any calls. But still, and then, hi, मेरे साथ fraud हो गया. Like common sense is so uncommon.
This reminds me of another common thing. People taking selfies at dangerous places, like railway track, जब ट्रेन आने वाली हो, या फिर mountain cliff और beside a seashore जब high tide का time हो. Like selfie लेना important है, मर जाओगे तब क्या होगा? Again, common sense is so uncommon.
I so agree. This reminds me, if someone has met with an accident, people around रोड पे या तो वीडियो लेना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं या तो they gather and they're seeing कि क्या हो रहा है, instead of calling police or asking for help or helping them, they record. Like this is the greatest example of not having common sense.
And this way our video will become too long if we keep on discussing, and हमारे examples खत्म नहीं होंगे. The list is endless.
Yes, I so agree with the lack of common sense. At times it is funny, but irritating, frustrating as well.
Exactly. Common sense cannot be taught as such. It comes with experience and looking at the environment. And obviously, to a certain extent, your own judgment.
पता है मुश्किल क्या है? We cannot tell them that they lack common sense.
And अगर बोल भी दे, शायद वो लोग फिर भी नहीं समझ पाए क्योंकि that also requires common sense.
Right, I was wondering now, CBSE, ICSE curriculum, like in schools, with English, maths, science, common sense should be a subject.
I know. Maybe in 10 years from now, that can be included. You never know. Well, now is the time for viewers' questions.
Well, Rajiv, when you see someone doing something repetitively which lacks common sense, tell them politely, if it is getting on your nerves and you want them to improve, tell them. And you can, give examples, tell them the consequences.
And I suppose for many incidences, there isn't any consequences as such. So yes, either explain it to them or still better, be quiet and keep doing your work. Or probably, their circumstances are such that they were unable to use their common sense.
And, the best thing is accept that they lack common sense.
There isn't any formal training for common sense. Like one can teach good manners, but not common sense. Common sense comes with experience and practice and more so own judgment, looking at people around you. You don't require a PhD degree for applying common sense, just use your normal sense.
Exactly. Look around the environment, people, they teach us a lot of things which is pretty common. So it's like, self-study. Well, Neha, common sense is like, one of those reflexes. It comes instantly. But हर किसी के साथ reflexes जल्दी काम नहीं करता है. So don't feel bad about it. Stop feeling guilty. It is part and parcel of life. It's done and over. Everyone makes mistakes. So just chill.
And good thing is that you realized it, nothing to be embarrassed about it. People would have laughed and forgotten. As simple as that.
Right. Well, what a topic on common sense. I hope people realize and start using this sense apart from their 5 natural senses. It is difficult at times, but not impossible.
I agree. And at times, having common sense becomes a punishment because you need to deal with people who doesn't have it.
Well, do share your experiences where you have dealt with people who lacked common sense and tag those who need it.
And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Talk Free. Like our FB page, Talk Free. Follow us on Instagram, Talk Free _ and Twitter, Talk Free 6.
Well, PM, that's common sense that they would do it now. So,
exactly.
Viewers, see you next Friday with a fresh new topic. Until then, this is AM and PM signing off.
And remember to talk free.